Good goddamn morning to y'all. How y'all doing? Yes, I'm ranting again. Y'all seen the title. Stockx did me dirty. But happy Aloha Friday to all my pimps, players, hustlers, aunties, uncles, everybody out there holding it down during this pandemic, doing big things, and we just managing, staying blessed, good health, good well. Shout out to the Sis 313 Retro Queen and MCFLYKOF PMKICKZ. Make sure y'all subscribe to our Who Has the Heat channel. Now let's get into this now. I'm upset. I'm upset again, part 2. And my beef is with Stockx. This is what we doing now, Stockx. This is what we doing now, Stockx. Look at this box. Does this look like a new item to you guys? They only gave me $20. Just look at it. Look like somebody, like the bro PMKICKZ said, did a 5-star frog splash off the top rope onto this done. Look at it. Look how beat up the box is. Look at that. What in the blue hell is this? Boy, sometimes good help is hard to find, I swear. But anyway, it's a PP personal pair, size 10.5. It is a Saucony men's pink cream grit 8000. They calling this, we got the silk, the gold puka right, holding Hawaiian. And these are the Saucony shrimp scampi. I got shrimp scampi, guacamole, wine, fried chicken, as y'all seen. As you can see, got the letter from Scott. So, you know I ain't lying. Got the little glow purse bag on it. Gonna pull it out of here. Got my, you want to see all my thing. Y'all want to make sure I'm lying here. See, I got the thing on there. You see that? Paid that. Oh my gosh, boy. And here's the shoe. The shoe looks pretty good though, I must admit, but I don't know. You got 2 pair of laces. You got this with the green tips, which is pretty dope. Which is green, and then you got these joints. So maybe I may go 1 and 1, but these are pretty dope. And I present to you, like I said, shrimp scampi. Woo, doggy, look at that. Shrimp scampi. Remind me of ice cream, strawberry, shortcake, and the building. You got the gum bottom on these joints, which is very, very dope. Y'all already know I like to do the left shoe. I ain't gonna be rocking around here with no Stockx sticker, tags, no done eBay tags. I don't know what's going on with this new generation walking around with tags all over the place, but that is no bueno. No, I ain't doing all of that. Now let's get into it. You got an air, look at that, you got that air, you got a unit underneath that. You got a grid unit, got some cushion for the pushing. You got that gum bottom. Look at that traction, boy. Remind you of trees, on top of trees. And then you can look at that. Look at it, kind of got like that blade. Feel like Sonny's the hedgehog, right? You know how Sonny the hedgehog hair is? Very, very dope. And you got some of that short hair. Suede. Ooh, got some good suede on this. Just make you want to slap y'all. Y'all did it, right? I don't want to provoke no mileage, but look at that. You got some changer range on it. Look at these dope laces. Saucony stitched in. Woo. Gotta smell it again, boy. Coming fresh out of the box. Look at that suede. Man, these are fire flame. Then you got some splatter. You got some speckles. You got all of that good stuff on the side with the grid. Then you got Saucony and Saucony on the ass. Look at that, Saucony on the ass. You got some puka holes more for breathability. All of that good stuff. Come around on the media side. You got all of that stuff. You got a little bit of glue stain on it, but that's right. Because ain't nobody going to be getting up on that close on my shoes to be talking about, look at that glue. Right? And this one got green tips on it as well. And you can see you got your clear sock liner. You might get some sock bunnies. It's just a little bit different. It's a thick ankle support. But y'all know Saucony, Asics, New Balance, All are dope, fire shoes to walk, run, or just rock. Cause these are dope. I'm all on my Saucony binge right now. And you can see PP personal pair, 10 and a half. You don't have no shoe tree. They just stuff it with stuffings. Stuff it with stuffings, right? The Saucony inside. I likes it a lot. This is a dope shoe. And I will be putting these on feet. Y'all let me know. Let y'all remind y'all of strawberry shortcake. Right? Strawberry shortcake. That's what it remind me of. I don't know about, let me see, shrimp scampi. Yeah, I guess so. Shrimp scampi. Yeah, you even think about it coming out. The little pink speckles. Not as much pink. Yeah, but green, right? You got the little season and all that little stuff. Okay. I guess. But, hey, it is what it is. But, I mean, the shoe is in great condition. It's just the box, man. It look like the box. I don't know. Like I said, he must have had boxes on top of boxes. He must have had it in the shed, the attic, or something. Because that is crazy. Now I'm done ranting. Let's get into what we think on the scale of 1 to 5. I'm going to give these about a 4.95 out of 5. I'm going to be ducked. Yes, I'm going to be petty and deduct for that done Hammer Jane non-new WWE bounced on box. So 4.95 out of 5. Yes, I'm still being petty. I am pissed. They only gave me $20 refund. It's supposed to be new. It's supposed to be new. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the shoe. Is this your cup of tea? What does this colorway remind you of? I will be responding to your comments. Hopefully no later than a week. I try. Don't at me. Also make sure y'all tune in to Who Has the Heat tomorrow, because we got a double header banger coming in for y'all. Other than that, peace, love, and Hagrees. I'm out. Deuces.